Good evening, Pranesh ji. Pranesh ji, wishing you a very happy birthday.
Thank you, sir.
I extend my heartfelt congratulations to the newly elected Vice President of our country, Shri Radhakrishnan ji. We may have supported another candidate, Mr. Sudarshan Reddy, but in the end, the mandate has gone in Radhakrishnan ji's favor, and we respect that. We sincerely hope that he upholds the dignity of this esteemed office, rises above partisan politics, and works as a guardian of our constitution. Today, many parties like BRS, Akali Dal, they have abstained from voting. In fact, they have indirectly supported the BJP, a party which has disrespected the farmers. Today, Prime Minister Narendra Modi went to Punjab. After 20 days of deep slumber, he woke up, and when people were dying there, they were not given their dues of 60,000 crores which the central government owes to the Punjab government, and today he has declared package of just 1600 crore rupees. Just 1600 crores. He has not given our dues. In fact, we were demanding 20,000 crores relief package, because these kind of floods, I mean, it's in the last 5 decades, Punjab has not witnessed these kind of floods. More than 1400 villages affected, 25 lakh lives affected. Despite that, वहां पे जाके रीलबाजी चल रही है, फोटो खिंचवाए जा रहे हैं, और पंजाब को अपने हाल पे छोड़ दिया गया. इससे शर्मनाक बात कोई नहीं हो सकती. कल इनके प्रवक्ता भारतीय जनता पार्टी के कह रहे थे जी पंजाब के लिए प्रधानमंत्री जी बहुत बड़ा पैकेज का ऐलान करके आएंगे. ये था तुम्हारे पैकेज का ऐलान, 1600 करोड़ रुपए. बेइज्जती करने गए थे तुम किसानों की वहां पे.
इसीलिए मुझे लगता है इसीलिए राहुल गांधी ने ट्राई भी नहीं किया. उन्होंने बोला व्हाई गेट इनटू ट्रबल्ड वाटर्स, स्टे अवे फ्रॉम पंजाब. ना मैं वहां जाऊंगा, ना कुछ लोग बोलेंगे. आई अंडरस्टैंड योर कंसर्न अनमोल जी, बट यू सी, you know, on one side you have the center extending. Now you can always, you know, have your concerns ki thoda aur de dete, this fund is not enough. Like, you know, Kerala has also had similar complaints, concerns, whatever you want to say it. But I want you to focus on a post by Kerala unit of the Congress party. This is a party within a party, or perhaps more powerful than the party. अब आप ये देखिए, fill in the blanks. मैं वोट ब्लैंक हूं. Just after the results are announced, the NDA candidate wins, and look at this kind of commentary. Dr. Ranganathan?
What can I say, Pranesh, when the fact of the matter is that everything that is in national interest, every politician who's working towards the betterment of the country is being opposed. His policies are being opposed. How many proofs do you need? I mean, I can rattle out till the kingdom come, but just one is enough. When Trump said India is a dead economy, who was the one who parroted his line? Who was the one? I want to ask Ashwini ji. Ashwini ji, please name the Indian politician who agreed with Trump that India was a dead economy, despite India registering one of the highest Q1 GDPs, despite India registering one of the highest growths. Please name that politician, Ashwini ji.
बोलिए अश्विनी जी.